welcome to NAS Unboxing. Today our model is TS-230, which is made for entry-level users, so let's take a look at this. This is the TS-230. It is using a very unique color this time, and the dimension is also tiny, but with everything inside. At the front panel, there are LED indicators, USB ports, and one-touch copy button and power switch. As for the rear panel, there are a smart fan, GigaLAN port, and 2 USB ports. And the design is well enough for an entry-level user to save and protect his own data. As for hardware, TS-230 equipped with Realtek RTD1296 quad-core processor. But here's one thing, that the memory supports up to 2 GB DDR4 and it is not expandable. So if you need a NAS with memory more than 2 GB, please, you can choose other of our models. Under the current hardware specification, TS-230 can already provide a nice user experience on snapshots, backups, and sync the file. For snapshot, TS-230 provides up to 64 versions, and also users can use the QBKG or mobile app to reach the user scenario that to upload and sync all the files between different of your own devices. Also, you can use the hybrid backup sync to reach the third-party cloud backup and sync. So, all of your important data can be protected in a various way. Although this is an entry-level NAS, but it can already satisfy users like to take short videos or pictures. TS-230 supports video transcoding. After you upload the videos into the NAS, you can set a specific folder for videos to be transcoded into different format or resolution. Also, you can set it by manual or schedule. All the works will be done behind the background as your best support. So, if you are looking for a NAS that can cover all the above demands, TS-230 will definitely be a good choice for you. And if you are looking for a higher spec, please go to QNAP website for more product information. We will see you next time on NAS Unboxing. Bye.